Okay, and welcome back. So, here we are. Okay, welcome back to school, teacher edition. So, welcome back to another new academic year of teaching. You may be a seasoned professional or a new teacher. Either way, approach this new year with excitement and enthusiasm. This positive attitude will be picked up by your students and peers. It's always good to have a positive attitude. Teacher Planner. A teacher planner will help you to organize your day to day activities. For certain tasks, you can add numbers or color code them, whether it's a paper format or electronic format, for example, like an iPad. Keeping a planner will help you get more organized. So, these are little trips for you to get organized for September. Schemes of work. A scheme of work will help you organize your workload. Basically, it's a general overview of what you intend to plan throughout the year. So, completing your scheme of work as soon as possible will free up more time to prepare other things like resources and anything else you need to finish up. Okay, next, timetable. Make sure you get your timetable as soon as possible from your line manager so that you may start planning what you want to teach. There's nothing worse than not having a timetable and you're ready to um, plan your lessons, but you don't know what you're going to be teaching on what days. Okay, resources. Make sure you have all your resources ready for you when you start teaching. These resources may be kept in a Google Drive, OneDrive, or even an external drive. I recommend using a cloud storage because then you can get access to it anytime and from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection, of course. Plan all your resources. For example, you may want to create all your resources on PowerPoint. Organize all the resources you will teach and put them in appropriate folders. So organize your files and folders. For example, Unit 1, Intro, Unit 2, Industry and Knowledge, and what you're going to be teaching, put them in folders. So when it's time to teach, you just gain access to that folder and you've got everything there. Brilliant. Okay, notebook. Always carry a notebook. You will need a notebook for meetings or to simply make notes. Write down all your notes in meetings, etc. This always help. If you don't have a piece of paper, there's never a piece of paper lying around when you need it. But having a notebook really helps. Okay, next, the specification. So familiarize yourself with the spec if you haven't done so already. So whether you're teaching BTEC, AQA, or UAL, or any other qualification, make sure you know the grading criteria, what it consists of, and what they're asking you how to deliver the course. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So if you're getting value for any of my videos, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Okay, stationery. Keep a stationery cupboard stocked at all times. Keep spares. If someone borrows it, make a note of it who it is. For example, count all the pens in after the lesson has finished. Okay, next, technology. If you have a smart board in your classroom, make sure you become familiar with it. So, becoming familiar with the electronic devices, technology within your classroom that you have to use on a daily basis. It always makes sense to use it, um, uh, and also know how to use it. So then, when it comes down time to teach, you know how to use it. A school college will provide you with a laptop computer. Sometimes you may need to bring your own device. Okay, classroom. Does anything in your classroom need refreshing, fixing? If they do, contact its states if you've got a broken chair or something or broken leg. Are you happy with the layout of your classroom? Are you happy with the displays in your classroom? Maybe they need refreshing. You can do your displays before the term starts. Okay, key people. Which key people do you need to contact in your new school or college? For example, HR team to ensure all your documents have been processed, because if it has not, then IT will not authorize you to use the organization's computers or login. So key people are HR, IT, librarians, technicians. They're very useful, and of course your team. Which brings us to the next slide, your team. Get involved with your team and contribute and add value where you can. Share your knowledge and skills with your team so it becomes a sharing and learning environment. You are all professionals with different strengths and skill sets. Work together to achieve the same goal. Remember, your main focus are the students. So, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, if you like any of my videos or you gain value from it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's it for now, and see you in the next video, and good luck for September. Bye for now.